Hey, lovely people. Coupon and Crystal here with a CVS haul. I know, right? Coupon and Crystal actually decided to go to CVS and do a haul. Who would have thunk it? Okay, now, first of all, y'all guys know I was doing a one-woman revolt because CVS was not cooperating with Coupon and Crystal. They were giving me crap for CRTs, and I refused to shop there until they got their life together. So they did, and now I'm back. All right, guys, so let's jump into the haul. All right, guys, let's jump into it. I'm so excited. I haven't done CVS in a while. All right, so the first deal I decided to do was the Shea Moisture, which is the spend 20 and get 10, okay? I did get my leave-in daily hydration treatment. I love this product. I like to use it to detangle, or you can just use it to refresh your hair. It's a great product. $14.49. Pricey though, okay? And I decided to get a Shea Moisture body wash. Now, this is actually a coffee bean extract and mango butter. And it does smell pretty good, but I'm not surprised because to me, all Shea Moisture products smell good, but you know, it is what it is. I'm biased. $10.79 for the body wash. Now, I did have a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT. All right. And I had that $6 off of 2 Shea Moisture coupon that was in the 613 save. All right. And I had my $10 care pass that I decided to use, which dropped my cost down to $7.28. So I had to pay $7.28 in store, but I did get back my $10. So I was cool with that. A great deal because Crystal gonna get her Shea Moisture however she can. Because see, I ain't going in Target paying full price. That's foolishness. Now, the next deal I decided to do, I did after work, and I wanted to do the spend 30 and get 10. Now, there's also a spend 45 and get 15, but I wasn't about that life because I only had $14 in extra bucks to use. I got $10 from this deal, plus I had $4 in my coupon book from the last time I did a haul, which was weeks ago. Okay, so. And actually, I didn't even post that haul because it was no point. It was just tissue. And I wanted to use my care pass because I was not trying to, let my little $10 expire. With the care pass, you got to use it up before that new one hits. Okay. So in this transaction, I decided to do the draft. Okay. I decided to do the draft laundry detergent. This is a baby laundry detergent, but it smells so good. Coupon and Crystal got it for herself. Okay. It's on sale for $11.94. There is a $3 clip to app coupon, making the cost be $8.94. Now, I'm not giving this to my grandbabies. I'm keeping it for myself because I like the way it smells. I love it. I used to wash my kids' clothes in it, and it smells good, and I'm gonna wash my sheets in it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do it tonight. Yeah. Next product, guys, was the Tide. I got the Tide liquid. It was on sale for $11.94. There is a $3 clip to app coupon as well, making it be $8.94. Okay, now I wanted to get another Tide product, which was the Tide Pods. All right, now there's 2 included in the deal. There's one that's a higher count, which I think is like a 35 count, which is in the bag. And then there is this 21 pack, okay, that it's only 21 freaking pods, okay? It's less, but it's $11.94 as well. Now, it's the kicker, though. That daggum $3 coupon is not attaching to the Tide in the bag. The 35 count, it would not attach to that, okay? But it's attaching to this, so I had to get this. So they was not wanting to work together, so I ended up having to just get the Tide liquid and the draft, ring it up separate. I was like, whatever, I don't really freaking care, okay? The total of the 2 was $23.88. My 2 $3 coupons came off, my $10 CRT and my $4, a total of $14 came off. I had to pay $3.88 out of pocket. Okay. It was tracking. The deal is tracking. I did not get my extra bucks. Okay. So next I had to get him to ring up the Tide. Okay. He rang up the Tide, $11.94. $3 came off, $8.94. Right. Okay. All right. He gives me my receipt. No extra buck. The extra buck did not print. And I was like, oh, now I know I've been away, but I ain't been away that long. Okay. I know the rules ain't changed like that on me. Okay. So he had to force print my extra buck. Okay. Whatever. Because he went back there and he checked each one of the products, and each one of the products was tagged for the deal. It says it clear as day. Tide 92 to 100 ounce. This is the 92 ounce. All right. Pods 21 count. 2021 right there. And draft 50 ounce. Okay. Draft 50 ounce. Y'all see it? So I don't know what the ham sandwich was going on with that. Okay. But you know what? I was in right standing. Didn't matter. He gave me my $10 extra buck. So what was my ultimate cost? Because y'all see, I had to end up paying $388 out of pocket, and I had to pay $894 out of pocket. But he gave me my $10 extra buck. So that was $1282 total is what I paid out of pocket. I got my $10 back. So my ultimate cost was $2.82. Now, come on, guys. I mean, $2.82. I'm really not upset about it. Okay. I like to have pods. I like to use pods over liquid because it's just less mess to me. Okay. But I'm making an exception for my draft because it smells so good. All right, guys, that is it. We are almost at 9K. Can y'all believe it? Coupon and Crystal and the Coupon crew, y'all been riding with Crystal for years, and y'all are amazing. I appreciate you guys so very much. Shout out to all my new Coupon crew members, my old Coupon crew members, my loyal people that comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all are amazing. I appreciate you guys so very much. So yes, I'm feeling it. And shout out to my friend, Savvy Saver Diva Jackson. Savvy been keeping me in the know all week with the coupon deals. And she sent me some coupons because she is just an awesome friend. She's just not my coupon friend. She my friend. I talked to her on the phone, okay? She's just an awesome person. I appreciate her so very much. So I got to put them good coupons to use, girl. If you guys do not subscribe to Savvy's channel, can you please go check her out, Savvy Saver Diva Jackson. Show her some love and tell her Coupon and Crystal sent you. Okay. All right. I got so many new coupon friends that I have been watching and I'm loving it. I love watching Thrifty Mommy. I love watching her channel. Sour Patch Mom does coupons. I watch her channel. I've started watching Keep Calm Couponing. So I'm going to pop those channels up. I hope you guys go and check them out and show them some love. Let them know Coupon and Crystal sent you their way, guys. I love to support other channels because they support me and I want to pay it forward. Okay. I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed rest of your evening. Let us know in the comments below what you decided to get from CVS. Yeah, CVS trying to woo me back. Woo me back. Woo me back. CVS, give me some darn extra bucks. Give me some free extra bucks. How about that? But I'm excited about my deals today. That's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.